You have the hose, some accessories here. So this is the compressor. So hello classmate, welcome back. This is my unboxing video for the 4-piston compressor. It's a portable compressor that has 4 piston. Yeah, 4-piston compressor, portable. Yeah. Okay, so let's unbox it. Yes. It's the 4-cylinder tire inflator. Let's see what's inside the box. So first, you have the hose. I have this one before, so this one's free. The hose is free. It has the bag. It says Camel, but I don't know if it's made by the Camel company. Of course, compressor. Manuals are important. So I'll just read this first. So this is the compressor looks like. So I think this is just a holder. Both are going out. So 2 tires at the same time you can inflate, but you need to buy one more like this. This one can pump 2 tires at the same time. Oh, it has some accessories here. Like you can inflate balloons, and this one is for the Presta, for the bicycle adapter. So I'm going to deflate my tire pressure to 10. My tire pressure now is 10.5, so that's fine. Try first one tire. Let's see how many minutes it can pump, like going for 32 psi 33. So this is the digital panel of the tire pump. I think it's only calculate the hose pressure, not the tire pressure. Actual tire pressure, my tire pressure is 10. So the maximum psi will be 125. Let's just try first the 100. So now we'll try to pump the tire. Let's set it 100. Then my current tire pressure is 10. Let's try 2 minutes. So, oh yes, so 2 minutes. It was hot, it's coming hot. So 2 minutes can pump it like 37.5 psi. Let's double check it in my tire gauge. Yeah, 37.5. Correct, 37.5. So in 2 minutes it can pump 37.5 one tire. Let's cool it down a little bit, and then we'll try 2 hose, 2 tire. Both tire will be 10 psi because that's the most I'm using in the desert. So yeah, 10 psi. Thank you for my tire gauge, TGM, not sponsored. So I put 2 hoses, one in the front and one in the back. So 1 tire. Okay, reading is 9.5 psi. Air will come in snug. 2 hose, 2 tire. Reading is 9.5 psi. Engine is running, and I forgot that the first tire I pumped it without the engine is running. So let's try it. Maybe it will be more faster. For 2 minutes, the 2 tires can pump 28 psi. So let's put more like 30 seconds more. That can go for 33 psi, my target. So that was 30 seconds, and I think in total for 2 tires, 2 minutes and 30 seconds for 2 tires, 2 hose, engines running, 4 piston compressor. This is the purpose of the indicator. So when the hose reach 100 psi, yeah, so it automatically stops. But when you decrease the air, it automatically open the compressor. Basically it's just a support for the hose. If you forgot to turn it off, it has support that it can turn off once it reach the psi from here, and then you can turn it off like that, and okay, it goes back. So that's it. Yeah. Oh, this is the air intake. So this is where the air sit everything here. So okay classmates, so if you want to buy this, it's in Dragon Mart 1. So, thank you for watching guys. Please click subscribe, like, share, comment if what can you say about this compressor. Yep, so see you guys in the next adventure and unboxing. Bye bye.